All right, YouTube. Me and the kids up Saturday morning, getting ready for cars and coffee. What's up, Mario?
What's up, Dad?
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's roll.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here. All right. All right, guys. You driving this morning?
Yeah, I'm driving.
That's gonna be a video to come, teaching this kid how to drive. So we'll see. Ghost ready. She's ready. All right, YouTube. About to head out to Cars and Coffee in Germantown. Should be a really nice event this morning, so let's go. Guys, still on the road to Cars and Coffee, but I gotta stop and get a cup of coffee. You need coffee?
I need coffee.
He's not drinking coffee, y'all. About to ride out. Should be a nice Cars and Coffee event this morning. Feels excellent outside, even though there's not really any sun. Not supposed to rain later on tonight, so feels great. Alright guys, got the coffee, ready to roll. Let's get back on this road. Headed back to the cars. I'm addicted to this stuff. I'm addicted. Alright guys, we're at the Cars and Coffee event. It's a smaller event today, and I think most people stayed away because they think it's going to rain. But some cars here, but everybody didn't come out, so it's really small today. Really small crowd. I don't know why, but I still love these things. I was thinking about getting one in 2003. That was a little four-banger scoop. Cars here, and this Bronco, oh my god, amazing. This thing here is fully restored. What an amazing vehicle. Looks brand new. Enjoying yourself?
Oh, yes.
All right. We got Mr. Darkside himself over here. Let me show you guys this thing. One of the sickest Chargers out here. His own custom design Charger. Amazing. Guys, go follow him on Instagram at Darkside Daytona. Amazing. The Sith happens. This thing is awesome. Awesome piece of machinery right there. I found some today, guys, that I didn't even know exist. I didn't know they made a Trans Am with the Grand National engine, which is amazing. I'm about to do some research on these cars. I didn't even know these cars exist. And it was an official pace car of the 73rd Indianapolis 500. In 1989. T-top, beautiful car, really nice, beautiful car.
The original pony car is just that was a GT250.
Amazing. You always hear about the Grand National, but you don't hear too much about these cars. Amazing. Trans Am with the Grand National engine setup. Alright guys, cars and coffee didn't really go as planned today. Most people just stayed home. Rain is starting to roll in now, and unfortunately it's kind of ruined, but there's always next time, right? So stay tuned to the channel. I appreciate you guys tuning in, taking time out of your day to watch my videos, and please hit that subscribe and like button. Right, Mario?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah.
All right, we're out.